Get inspired by seeing fellow heroes apply AHK in everyday wins. The shared stories alone make membership a no-brainer. Our club's Telegram crew is all about collaboration and friendships. See how others tackle AHK challenges and feel the group energy.
I have another location here, which I don't know, Joe, if we ever talk about this, like whether a microphone is in use or not. You can actually loop through these keys, and if there is one of these one of these programs that is actually using, well, the apps, because that was the thing, it wasn't an app. If one of the apps uses the microphone, I think the last set time or something like that is the one that actually the last use time start and the last use time stop. So if this is not 0, it means that it is not in use by this. It's a weird thing. But I did the same thing. I favorited that because I was gonna kind of like work with it. And actually I worked with it for Danny, by the way. So we actually did this. And for the non-package, this is different tools. I think in here, if I look for Zoom, Zoom should be around. And if it is there, Zoom, notice that the last time stop here, it's 0. Because it is 0, it means it is being used right now. Right. So if you want to find out which of your applications or tools is using the microphone, right, you can just loop through this registry and take a look at the last use time stop. Whichever has a 0 in it, then that's the one that you. By the way, look at this one. Instead of backslashes, now it uses hashtags. Again, they did something in that instead of fixing the actual problem.
Yeah, and you just realize, it made me realize something. I knew, because I looked into this a long time ago, right? Of like can we detect if a mic is used? Ryan Wells and I were playing with this, and look, we found. I think I used AI. It was one of my first uses of AI to figure out where this stuff was. And anyway, on this, because we all here use Zoom a lot, right? When you want to mute Zoom, it can be annoying to find the stupid Zoom window that has mute, and you can assign a hotkey. We all know that too. But I wanted it on my Stream Deck. The problem is on my Stream Deck, I can't look at my Stream Deck and see if I'm muted or not. But I can go look at this location, right?
Right, and now you can tell.
Yeah, I can update my Stream Deck to tell me if Zoom is muted or not, right? Because I'm like, how do I easily do this? But this gives me that approach.
Let me give you something for those who are a little bit paranoid. Okay, so another interesting thing about this is that 2 programs can be using the microphone at the same time. So for example, right now, VS Code is using my microphone. I'm not using a microphone with VS Code, but it is. So that's one of those weird, creepy things. Like, I'm coding, I'm not, but it is using your microphone, even if you don't know about it. You could go through these tools, and every time you look at the last time stop, if you see a number there, no, don't worry about it. That's not so. But if you see a 0 in that location, then you know that it is being used by that tool. By the way, you can do something very similar with the phone calls and the webcam. So if you want to know which tool is using your webcam, same principle applies.
Webcams are different in that only one tool can use them at a time.
If I remember, and you can set your microphone to do something like that. And you can, there's an option that says allow programs to use exclusive permissions on the microphone, but that doesn't mean that they will always be exclusive. It just means that if that application asks or requests exclusive permissions to the microphone, the operating system is going to grant that. While if you don't have that set up, then no, many tools can use it. I don't know, again, to your point, Joe, I don't know if the webcam has that. I think only one tool can do it at a time. But yeah, I've never actually played with that.
Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for anytime learning that fits your schedule. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible.